Hello guys. It's nice to meet you. Welcome to this class, which is reading, writing, and vocabulary. So my name is Miss Alessandra. I will see you on the Zoom sessions on this class, and I'm super excited and I'm looking forward to meet you, all of you. I've heard many great things about you. So let's start today with the material that you already know. You have worked this with Miss Laila. We are going to be using Reading Explorer Book 3. Remember, this book is rented, so you must not write on it. We're going to use the binder. Okay, so you can answer here, and I will be asking you to answer to the exercises in classroom as well. So please remember to have your material ready for each class, for each Zoom session. We will be using Zoom, as you know. The link is on the guides. Please remember to be responsible, be disciplined, to do your homework, and ask when we are in the Zoom session. If you have any question, please, I'm open to you speaking and participating in class. Be punctual. You know that the Zoom sessions they happen fast. And lastly but not least, have fun in class. So this will be the schedule for reading, writing, and vocabulary. On Monday, you will have the tutorial or the classroom activity that I will be assigning to you. You have to complete all of them. All of them are points. All of them are important. And on Thursday, you have to join the Zoom session, as you know. So welcome to Tercero Básico, welcome to 10th grade. You're one step closer to beginning the end of the school. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you, and I'm excited to work with you. Please reach out to me on Classroom if you have any further question. And I will see you guys on Thursday on the meeting. Please be punctual, have your material ready, and welcome back to school. Bye-bye.